All right. Well, you just saw I hung up some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. So very simple. I seasoned them with it rub from the Salt Lick. Fantastic rub right there. So I'm gonna let it cook, and it's not gonna take that long at all. It's gonna take pretty fast. They're real thin, so it'll be some good eating though. I'm gonna also hang a sausage. Love sausage with that chicken right there. So I'm gonna let the Bronco go at 250. B&B charcoal briquettes, wood chunks, post oak. Let it go. So let's get to cooking. All right, I want to check to see how they looking. Oh yeah, they coming out good. Look at that, nice color. What do I think so far? We're about 40 minutes in. I was saying they're thin, boneless, so they won't take that long. So watch it when you're cooking them, when you're hanging them. But yeah, that's what it looks like for the charcoal basket. We're smoking here, guys. Yeah. Hopefully this one, I don't know if you can look. I should have hooked it a little bit more towards the center. You see up top it's already breaking because how much it's cooked with the heat on top when it rises. So hopefully it stays on. If not, we'll see one. We'll see it down there in the charcoal cooking. But yeah, so far so good. So we're getting there. So I'm going to close it up and then continue on. I'm going to add that sausage that I mentioned before. So I'm going to put this rod in. Alright, so let's just hook it about right there. Yeah, so what do you think? We're cooking now, huh? Looking good. Alright, so I'm going to give that some time. Those are almost done, those chicken thighs. I want to take a look. Oh yeah. Don't they look beautiful? Oh man, that is nice. Alright, so I'm gonna temp it. Then don't go all the way through because then you go through at the other end. 171 or 170, 171. So that's good on that. Let me get right here. 63, 64, 65, 66. So that's pretty good. What about you? 64, 65, 66. All right. So I'm going to take them off. They're going to carry on once I let them rest. I'm going to let them rest for about 10 minutes. So it'll carry on a little more. It'll cook a little more. And this sausage got a little more to go. Maybe another 15 minutes. But yeah, and I'm telling you that, man, those thighs look great. What to choose from? Right, so good beer right here. Let's get it from the back. Gotta be careful with them not to drop them, but if I do, it'll be on film and it'll be a fail for me. Alright, last one. Yeah, what do y'all think? Yeah, they're skinless. You want to move you over a little more. to the middle, just like that. Let's close it up and let you go for a bit more. But yummy. Look at that. Beautiful color. And that rub from Salt Lick all season. They look great. Man. I don't know if this does it justice, if you can see, but man. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So, yeah, let's slice it right down the middle. Oh, yeah. Comes right apart. Man. Hey, looking good. I don't know how well you can tell, but man, that's good. Oh, it smells so good also. This was simple cook. Easy cook, man. I'm telling y'all, this Bronco right there, that Bronco does it all. Like I said, it's a simple cook. It's chicken thighs, boneless, skinless, seasoned with that rub from the Salt Lick. Delicious rub. It's peppery. And smells, oh yeah. Oh man, that's good. That is good. See, you're doing closer. Yeah. Look at that texture. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. But it was a fast cook, an hour and 10 minutes. And you know, they were real thin, small, so they don't take that long at all. And I checked it after, just looked at it after 40 minutes, just take a peek, see what it looked like. And you could tell just because of the rub was making it getting that dark mahogany look to it, which was beautiful. It's beautiful. And too, during that time, that Bronco allowed me to go and cut the front yard. So I got that knocked off, you know. At Bronco, just let it, set it, forget it, send that temp, 250, and I was able to cut the front yard. That's awesome. That is awesome. But at the end, if you want to sauce it up or put that Texas pepper jelly bird bath, however you want to do it, give it that more flavor to it. But right here, this is enough right here flavor. That's just delicious. You can tell it's a beautiful day here in Texas. It thunderstormed overnight like crazy. It's been in the mid 60s right now, so it's been awesome. I'm loving it. Well, as always, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone.